It's really healthy to go through the regular stages of grief. You want to let yourself be depressed. You want to like be in denial. You want to be angry. You want to be shocked. You want to let yourself go through a grieving process, just like you would with someone that's highly anxious or someone that is very secure. You would be shocked to know that part of what keeps people like in a kind of suspended state of grief with avoidant relationships is that they may have gone through a push-pull dynamic within them. I think when a lot of people really do decide to end the relationship, some part of them is just waiting to go on that loop for finding the allostasis and then finding the homeostasis of co-regulating with them. And I think it's important to just remind yourself to go through the stages of grief. And it's so important to reflect and learn. One of the biggest pieces you can walk away with is, why are you co-regulating with someone that is not co-regulating with you? And so that can lead to some very deep reflection. And again, this isn't about saying when there's an abusive situation going on, but when there's just two people that are really incompatible and they break up, there's an opportunity there to reflect on what your own co-regulation process is. And to only relationships that were really special can really make you feel all that pain in your grief. So not really pushing the pain away. And if the individual was avoidant, it doesn't mean the relationship was any less valuable.